Hello, today we will guide you through how to free up Creative Cloud space, empty trash. In this walkthrough, we'll clean up storage by permanently removing items in your Creative Cloud trash. This is done in a web browser and it's quick. But keep in mind that items you permanently delete cannot be recovered. If you think you might need anything later, consider downloading a copy to your computer first. Start by opening your browser and going to the All Apps page on the Adobe website. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Adobe account to continue. Once you're in, look for the Files option in the navigation. Clicking Files takes you to the Creative Cloud web area where your documents, libraries, and synced assets live. Next, find and select the deleted section. This is your trash area, and it's important because items here still count against your storage until you permanently remove them. You may see folders, documents, libraries, or media you've removed earlier. Take a moment to scan through the list. If you're managing a large library, it can help to sort by size or date to identify the biggest space savers first, and to quickly confirm nothing essential is hiding in the trash. When you're ready, select all the items you want to remove. You can use the Select All checkbox at the top of the list to highlight everything at once, or pick individual files if you prefer a more cautious approach. Before you continue, double-check for shared assets or team files you still need, especially if you collaborate with others. Items in Deleted are still recoverable right now, so this is your last chance to restore anything you might want to keep. With your items selected, choose Delete permanently. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intend to remove these files for good. Review the message, then click Delete permanently again to confirm. The system will process the deletion. For large sets of files, this may take a moment. Once complete, your storage usage should drop accordingly. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page and check the storage indicator. That's it. You've freed up space by emptying your Creative Cloud trash. As a best practice, revisit the deleted section every so often, especially after big projects, so storage doesn't fill up unexpectedly. And whenever in doubt, back up locally before you clear things out. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the extra room for your next creative project.